guys, welcome back. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a cabinet filter on a 2015 Toyota Corolla. The type of brand I'll be using, it's called Frame Fresh Breeze. I actually like it. It's pretty cheap. You could get it at Walmart for $10 or $13. I actually like it because it actually smells pretty good in a vehicle. And it's pretty awesome, you know. There is the cheap one that doesn't have a smell into it, but I guess it costs the same amount as this one for 10 bucks, 13 bucks. Not sure, but you know, I actually like it. I actually do recommend it if for everyone that doesn't know this type of brand. Well, I'm showing you guys the brand. It actually works. It smells great. You know, it will last you for a while. Depends how much you use the AC. But let me show you guys how to install it and I'll show you. First thing first, we're gonna open this. Remove the stuff inside. I'm gonna put it over here. Side. First thing first you want to do is pull this, pop it, and right here in the corner, just squeeze. Sorry if it's all dirty, guys. I gotta clean that. This side and this side, squeeze. Pull it down gently, and it'll be right there. Right here. Right here, you squeeze this little clip right here. You pop it out, and there's the cabinet filter. It's been long I haven't changed it, but it's kind of dirty, especially on the edges. But don't forget, guys, the arrow when you put it back. Let me get the other one. The other one does come in bag seal, so the smell doesn't fade away when you install it. So let me try to open this and we'll get back to it. Right here. That one's a little old. But I'm gonna put the new one inside there. Then here's the cover. On this corner there's a little clip. You gotta put it right there. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like a little hole you gotta put it in. And you push this one inside, so if you hear the clip, it means it's already tight. Just double check. Then this one's garbage. This one's not gonna work anymore. So you have two on each side. Double check if they're connected, and you're gonna try to push these two. Then you're gonna connect this one. Just pull gently, push, and you're all set, guys. And that's how you install a cabinet filter. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace out. Smells pretty good, guys. Oh yeah, right. Forgot about the lights. These are still standing, guys. Pretty cool. Remote control for the fog lights. Yep. All set, guys.